Friends, today I will give you a detailed look at the status of Ethereum cryptocurrency and the dynamics of its price fluctuations, as well as when to buy and sell it to maximize your profits. First, let's look at the chart showing Ethereum's sharp decline. You can see that on April 9th, 2025, its price stood at $1,385. While many people suffered significant losses during this drop, there was actually an opportunity to make even greater profits amidst the downturn. Let me explain how. Whenever a cryptocurrency's graph dips, it is a good time to buy. What I am about to show you next is truly remarkable. Now let's look at where the biggest gains occurred. Everyone who bought this cryptocurrency made a substantial profit. Take a look at this graph, which shows a significant and rapid surge in the value of Ethereum. This data is from August 25th, 2025, a day when many people profited handsomely as the price soared to a peak of $4,851. It didn't stop there. The graph continued to fluctuate, rising and falling, and those who bought during the dips made a profit. Eventually, it rebounded from the lows and stabilized at a mid-range level. Data from August 17th, 2026 shows the price rising to $1,902, surpassing the earlier $1,385 mark, indicating it is poised for further upward movement, similar to the trend seen on August 25th, 2025. So what do you think? Should this crypto be bought or sold? Share your opinion in the comments section. To see more cryptocurrency updates like this, subscribe to our Deep Canned Classes YouTube channel today. I regularly upload short videos on crypto and math puzzles, as well as longer videos about crypto to this channel.